Welcome to the Sugar Art Education Center. And today, what I'm going to be doing is showing you my poppy seed recipe. Starting it off, little Duncan Hines butter recipe. Trust me, it's the best. Don't get the yellow, they look similar, very different. I'm actually doing a double batch, so you'll be able to cut the instructions in half to get your single cake recipe. 1 cup sour cream, 6 eggs, 2/3 vegetable oil, 1/2 cup water, 1.5 tablespoons poppy seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla paste. I'm mixing the wet ingredients for 20 to 30 seconds. I've added 2 boxes of the Duncan Hines Butter Gold Cake Mix. I've lightly beat the batter together and now I'm going to scrape down the bowl. Make sure you get it all the way around. And at this time, I'd like to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. The all-purpose flour that I just added is going to give it a lot more structure and it's going to make the batter that much firmer. After scraping down the bowl, what I'm going to do is beat the batter on medium speed for 3 minutes. It's always important to remember not to overbeat the batter because if you overbeat it, then it can actually souffle. It'll be too aerated and the structure won't support itself when you pull it out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and use my cake releasing agent and cover my cake pans with a very thin coating. You want to start pouring in the center of the cake pan, and I have, from years of experience, found the best place to stop is just shy of the halfway mark. Give it a little shake, and some people like to give it a little tap. I've got the oven set at 350. I'm going to leave it in here for 50 minutes, come back, check on it, and the cake should be perfect. Ooh, baby! The cakes came out perfect, like I told you they would. Don't ever have to worry.
They really did. I have one right here, and it is just flawless.
And just so you know, I'm going to be showing everybody my next video, which is going to be a lemon orange infused simple syrup.